My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam, which claims to be Windows Firewall Protection Alert. It also claims to be Windows Support Alerts. These are fake alerts. They are not related to Windows support. There are some online hackers who stand behind these fake Windows support alerts. They quote this fake number 888-520-4773. By the way, these fake alerts typically come from some random websites that don't make any sense. I mean the names of these websites. But they all quote this fake Windows support number. If you call it, you will hear some online hackers who will be hunting for your money. They'll try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may demand from you to pay money, supposedly to get it fixed. But all this information displayed by such pop-ups is totally fake, and you should not trust it ever. Well, such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer, so I recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combocleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combocleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combocleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-Ransomware feature of Combocleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.